Good evening, YouTubers. Here we are. I'm just setting myself up in the cockpit. I'm in the Chinook and I'm in Oban in Scotland, or Ban, however you pronounce it. Okay, I'm going to go take a look at a castle near here called Stalker Castle. So let's get going. Let's get the show on the road. I've also adjusted the interior cockpit sounds, so everything's looking good. Okay. Stalker Castle. It's a castle, really old Scottish castle on an island. I think it's 14th century, and it's not far away from here. It was used in a Monty Python film, I think. Monty Python and the Holy Grail. You can find it on Google. Pretty sure it's this way. I had a bit of a glitch with my VR headset earlier, and it hung, so I had to leave it until the battery went flat and then charge it up and reboot it. So it's working okay now. But I tried to fly the helicopter in 2D on the screen and that failed miserably. It's much easier in VR. It's much more realistic as well. Okay, where am I? The castle is over there, I think. Low level nav here. We're sort of heading up towards Fort William. Am I heading the right way? I think so. I had a look on the map earlier. Yes, there we are. The water surrounding the castle is not a loch, it is in fact the Atlantic Ocean flowing in. It flows right the way up to Fort William and round the corner. I think the castle's here somewhere. Unless I took a wrong turn somewhere. Let's get it trimmed in a little bit better. Can't go very high today because the client base is really low and it's evening and we haven't got tremendous amounts of daylight left. I think it's here. Yes, it is. There it is. I can see it. Okay, getting a bit high. We're going to disappear into cloud if we're not careful. So lower the collective a little bit. There we are. How's our airspeed? 140-35. That's okay. You can visit this castle. You have to row out to it. Well, there's a boat. I think it's got an engine. Swimming out to it is not really an option unless you're a super fit swimmer. It'd be absolutely freezing cold. Well worth paying the boat. Go into the castle and you can actually go in it and visit it and wander around inside. I don't think there's enough room to land on the island. We'll certainly get close in and have a good look, and then we'll probably park up on the green grass there just to our right, and we'll call it a day when we get there, because that's where we get the boat from. Unless we deem there's enough room. I don't think there is. But what you see is what you get. This is the Monty Python and the Holy Grail film. John Cleese blowing raspberries from the top, pretending to be French. Yeah, you remember the one. I haven't seen it for years. In the name of God, I command you to hand over this castle. Go away, Englishman. They were the very steps, look, from the film. Stalker Castle. I wonder if they've got electricity. I'm sure they've got a generator somewhere. Right, that's it. Just north of a band somewhere. Okay. Oh, I forgot this thing can land in the water and deploy a boat, can't it? So we could have landed next to it, sort of, ish. No, don't think so. I think this is a much better plan. Getting close to the trees. Okay, here will do. Let's get ourselves all controlled. All squared off. And touchdown. Brakes on. Welcome to Stalker Castle in Scotland.